Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we will be taking a look at the Shark's new cordless auto empty power detect model, that is IP3251. So whether you should purchase it or not, this is what we will be finding out in this video. As you can see that currently I'm on the official website of sharkclean.com, and this is the model that we are looking. So if I talk about the pricing is around 400 US dollars, and if I talk about the ratings, this product received around 4.8 star rating, which in my opinion is great. You can even read the product description over here. The Shark Power Detect clean and empty system delivers the best debris cleaning of any cordless vacuum, plus an auto empty dock that charges and empties after every clean. The Power Detect features direct detecting intelligence 2x brush roll system for all the floor types and 70 minutes of runtime. So you can basically read the description and other information. If I talk about the reviews, so you can even scroll down and see the pictures of the real people, and you can even read the reviews, what people are saying about it and why are they recommending this product. Second thing that you can do is you can simply come to Amazon. I will also put the original link down in the description, so you can use that link. And here you will notice that on Amazon it has 4.9 stars rating with 96% that gave it 5 star, which is amazing. You can click on the rating section, and here you can read customer reviews, and most of the customer reviews are positive. So if this comes in your budget and this is what you are looking for, you can definitely go ahead for it. I will also put the link of it down in the description. So that was it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.